Now we wait for the oil to soak in. I'm putting on a plastic cap and a hair conditioning cap on top of it. It's the kind that you throw in the microwave. It's called a hothead. I will leave it on for 30 minutes and then get to washing. Alternatively, you can sleep with the PREPOO overnight in a silk scarf. My silk scarf seems to have walked away, so I'm using this crocheted hat that I made last year. It is a good stand-in. I also use it when I apply my henna. And here are the results from the PREPOO, the wash, and the deep conditioning. You may have seen this in the wash day video. It is the same day and all.
Even if the sky is falling down,
well, enough of that. I just hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and I will see you next time.